Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Groww account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to sign into your Groww account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address Groww, Groww .in and hit on enter after that. And after that, you can see guys on the first result of Google, you can see the grow.in. Click over there, and over here guys, in order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login/register button over here. Click on that, and after that this kind of page will open guys, where in order to log in you'll be required to enter your email address with which you had created an account on the Grow. But guys, you can also log into your Grow account directly with Google even without registering. If you click on continue with Google, you can a login page to your Grow account will a login page to your Google account will open, and if you log into your account over there, you will also log into your Grow account. And that being done guys, this is a manual login where you can enter any email with which you had created the account, and after entering your email address, click on continue. And in the next step, an OTP or the one-time password will be sent to you. Enter your OTP over here and click on submit, and then guys, you will be signed into your Grow account online on your computer. And with that being said guys, this is how you log into your Grow account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.